guys, what is up? Welcome to this Crypto What's Up source for all crypto-related news and technical analysis. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 360 technical analysis. Crypto stocks today. I forgot to change that. It's actually a weekly edition. No stocks today. Apparently my mic volume is low. There we go. Right on, I hope that you can hear me now. Yeah, you can hear me. Great, now it's back. Might be too loud. There we go. Now you can hear me, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Great. One quick second, guys. Be right back. Guys, I am back. Thank you. Sorry, I was getting a quick notice that I wasn't being heard, so I just need to check that out. Thank you all for being here. Again, this episode, 360 technical analysis, crypto and stocks. I screwed up on the title. It's just a weekend edition. We're just going to do the technicals. Thank you all for being here. Again, I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Saturday night. I hope you're having a great time. I was not going to be here. I ended up coming in, stopping by and doing the stream. I was going to be out of town, but we didn't. My wife was feeling super bad. We didn't start on time because actually I had to inject her, and I was finishing some stuff at the house because she's like, her bag was like killing her. So yeah, anyways, that aside, I'm here, so we're gonna do the technicals. Anyways, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub. That way you're gonna be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us in Discord. If you catch a stream on the replay, leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. On that note, let's move on to the technicals. There we go. Cheers, guys, by the way. It's the weekend, right? Oh, no. What's happening with crypto? Well, managed to yesterday go up. Hit that 382, right? We managed to wake above there very, very nicely, right? Managed to get to a high of $329.54 billion. We came back down, right? Bearishly enough, we came back down. Managed to close at or below our 382, right? Our fib node 382, which is at $324.90 billion. We actually closed at $324.94 billion. So we had 324.90. We were like $0.04 billion off, which again gives us a good target. Now we opened there, we held it as support. Looks like we want to go up today, or it looks like we want to go up today, at least till right now. Going up 0.61%, which is approximately $1.96 billion right now. And market cap sitting at $326.80 billion. On that note, we're going to move in and look at dominance. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin's still dominating the market at 61% of market cap. Yesterday, lost a little bit of dominance, 0.12%, and today still losing 0.15%. On that note, let's see how we go from here. And looks like we want to hold support at the 20. I really hope that we break below that 20 moving average. It's going to be key for Bitcoin to perform much better. Let's go check out Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin sitting at $10,781.63. Did it do something yesterday? Yes, it did something. It was positive, right? Look at that. Oh, so nice. Looked like we went to the target, right? Almost hit the target that we have, which is good, right? We talked about that yesterday. Anyways, we did move up. We hit a high of 10,829. Our target was 10,837. So very close to it, within $10. So for me, that's a good hit. Still came back down. Used support at 10,647. We did hit a low of 10,662, right? So again, a little bit above the support, but closer to our resistance above. So that's good, right? And so we closed. We're opening. We're going positive today. We might have another retest of that 10,837 level, which is going to be good. Now, are we doing something here on the daily? No, right? High to low, positive to less positive, and high on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Neutral at 50.28 on that RSI. So let's go and check out the 4-hour chart. What is going on with the 4-hour chart? We had the bearish divergence, right? Look at that beautiful movement up, right? It hit target, pull back down, managed to hold support, and rally again. Good stuff here, right? Had the hidden bearish. We moved down on that, found support and pumped, right? We called that out on the 24th, so 2 days ago. Now, yesterday we were not doing much. We were somewhere around here yesterday, right? We were trying to like go slightly higher. Look, after we closed the stream, within that next 4 hour candle, we managed to hit the target, which is good. Now, what's going on here, right? We're going slightly higher. Why is this an orange? I don't know. I didn't trace anything today. So, you know, I hope it saved the last things I did yesterday. Otherwise, it's going to be a pain in the butt. But other than that, it's all looking good, right? Looking good. There we go. Let's go on the 1 hour. Let's anchor this to the 4 and see what is happening here. Someone's here. Steve S. Steve S. Liar. I'm a liar. Yeah, dude, I told you guys in the interview that I might be here. I might not be out of town. I said I might show up tonight. Why am I a liar, dude? We did hit target with Bitcoin. We did go to the 10,137 level after I called it. Right? Once we got up here, even though we had this in bearish and we found support here, I said we're going to very likely test that area. Are you calling me a liar because I came in tonight? Anyways, dude, yeah, like I said, dude, during the interview, my wife was feeling bad. She might be, we didn't go out of town, so I ended up staying. And that's the reason that there was a stream today, right? Yeah, there was supposed to be no stream, bro. I was gonna be out of town, but my wife's back was hurting so bad that we stayed home. I just had to inject her prior to the stream starting, and that's why the stream started late today. Because you went out. That's all good, bro. Dude, there's life, dude. You know, it's like you don't have to be chained to the stream. You can catch the replay. Look, the wife was feeling super bad. I had to inject her, and then I had to like do a little bit of cleanup on the house to help her out because she can barely stand up, right? So she's like really she's in a lot of pain. So that aside, yeah, Bitcoin hit target earlier on today, right? Around that yesterday. So the 23-hour candle, right? We pulled back down. We started to go up again. Again, starting to create some strong bearish divergence, right? Again, this just turned green. I think it was white or light green when we were looking at it earlier. And we would also have it here against the RSI, right? Look at that. We're slightly higher here at 60.88, and right now here we're at 60.72. So barely low, right? There we go. Your friends, you can't catch it now. We'll catch a replay. Do ADA. You'll watch a replay for it. Yeah, bro, I'll do ADA. I'll write it down, bro. No worries, man. I mean, sorry, dude. I know it's Saturday. There's life happening. I was not going to be here. But thank you for showing up, Steve, and thank you for letting me know. I just wrote the ADA. I'll definitely look at that, man. Have a great night with your buddy, dude. Enjoy. Have a great time. Drink some beers. Drink some alcohol if you're in drinking age. Or, you know, enjoy the night. That's what Saturdays are for. Anyways, bearish divergence, potential action. I don't think I'm going to be super late tonight, man. I'm just going to go over the main crypto, ADA, RSR, DVT, and that's going to be it for tonight, I guess, right? I also want to do a super quick stream because there's stuff I got to do at the house. Anyways, moving down. That's what I'm expecting right now. But again, we did get target yesterday, so that's good. Let's go to the 4 hour. What's happening there? By the way, sitting bot on the RSI. What do we had? We had sort of this triangle that we were looking at, right? We said, look, it's a pattern that we can play with, right? We kind of didn't really acknowledge it too well, but that's fine, right? That's what we had to go on, and I'm okay with that. Now, it looks a little bit like a rising wedge, which I'm starting to not like so much. I'm actually going to delete this and try to see if we can get a better picture of what's going on here. For sure, something I can find is some bearish divergence, right? At least from here to, we're going slightly higher. High to low, right? Against the RSI. If I ignore this island here, you know, we could say that we don't have it. I don't consider that we should be ignoring islands, right? At least not for the analysis. But it's a tiny island on the 1 hour chart. We might be able to get away with ignoring that. So I'll just go here. I know there's an island here. It's just like 3 small candles, so I'm gonna ignore it right now. It would make sense, right? Because we're also creating that bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence against the 1 hour candle. Now, what am I expecting to see here, right? Maybe a quick retest of that 10,000, right? We'll just go here, and we'll still be making strong bearish divergence against the MACD, and also against the RSI. For some reason, volume's down here. Volume should be up here. I'm not sure how I moved volume here, but volume. Why is volume showing up here? Down here, man. Move. move this up, dude. Come on, volume. Nope, that just shifted that. That's not what I wanted to do. I'm not sure what I did that I moved volume down here. That's weird. I like volume to be up here on this chart. That's why it was looking weird right now. You know what? I'll just close it. And then I'll just re-add it here. Volume. There we go. Now it's where it's supposed to be. Yay! Anyways. Strong bearish divergence, potential action to downside. That's what we're looking at right now. If we go up here, we'll still have it, and we'll very likely move down still. So I'm waiting for a retest of that 10,837 right now. We hit that 20, right? We've managed to hold on to it. Pumping back up, which is okay. Let's see if we manage to get this area. That's it for Bitcoin. I'm going to move on to Ethereum real quick. What's happening with Ethereum? Sitting at $359.70. Where's it at in the daily, man? Where's that daily Ethereum at? Right, so high to low. Again, nothing happening here, right? And then we just have the hidden bullish rallying. Going slightly higher, hitting that 364, very close to it. 362.23, that's the high we made. Rejected the 20, rejected the 364. But we can still get another go at it, which is okay, right? We called that to be a target. We're waiting for it to hit. Sorry, on the strong bullish divergence that we had. I'm not sure if I called it hidden, but it's strong. It's sitting neutral at 48.24 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What's happening on the 4-hour? We're creating some hidden bearish, right? On that we moved down, which is okay. It wasn't a massive move down, but we knew we could get stalling, and that's part of how divergence plays, right? Now we could go from here to here, and now we go from here to here. And say, look, bro, we're creating strong bearish divergence, potential for price action to the downside, right? And that's actually what I'm expecting to get, right? It looks like crypto, again, is in sync, and we're seeing a lot of the projects develop the same technicals, right? So again, we're getting that bearish divergence near resistance, which is fine. Pulling back down. Over sitting bought at 62.71. So let's go to the 1 hour because there's nothing happening on the RSI. On the 1 hour, look, we're also going higher. Yep. Here we can actually have it without skipping over any other island, right? Which is good. We don't want to be running over islands, but look at that, right from here to here. Right, and from here to here. Potential for price action to downside on strong bearish divergence again on the 1 hour. We have it on the 4 hour. We have it on the 1 hour. We just got to acknowledge that it will potentially play out. We might not get a retest of that 364 area, right? I'm waiting for it to hit, maybe, and because we will probably still have that divergence, but we might not get it. Well, very likely a retest of the 20, right? We're expanding on the Bollinger Bands. Again, Bitcoin, I would expect to see that moving up, but we have the bearish divergence, and I gotta be a realist. It's more likely we're gonna move down than go up, right? At least in the short term. On that note, let's go check out XRP. What is happening with XRP on the daily, man? XRP. Resistance at 24,629. Yesterday we managed to hit it, right? We hit 24,579. Today the highest we got is 24,422. So very close. Again, trying to go higher. Managing to get above the 20, which is okay. Might use it as support and try to go higher. We have the strong bullish divergence developed. We're sitting neutral at 48.07 on the RSI. We can still go higher on the daily, but the short term is going to dictate what's going to happen, right? We had a hidden bearish. That's fine. Here we're still slightly lower than here, so I'm not going to call any bearish divergence here on the 4-hour chart for XRP. There's really nothing else developing. So we could get another go here, right? If we go and hit that resistance at 24,629, we are definitely going to create some bearish divergence, right? Because you're going to go from a high here on the positive momentum to a lower high on the positive momentum, so less positive momentum. And we're going to be going higher on that price, right? So that's where I would be expecting to see if XRP decided to go for another small push at that 24,629. It'll create the bearish divergence that Bitcoin and Ethereum have, and then on that, there it could potentially break down. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's happening there on XRP? Oh, right on, dude. Was this today? Nope. Yeah, this was during the stream. Why is this in orange? This should have been live yesterday for some reason. It's just still in freaking orange. Let me switch this to yellow because it trips me when I see an orange. It just makes me believe that we haven't talked about it. Because that's usually how this rolls, right? That's why I use the orange color for stuff that's happening that we haven't talked about on the stream. Strong bearish divergence, action to downside, that's fine. Now we're trying to climb up. We're still not at the previous high. So high low, positive to us. Positive behind our side to a lower point on the other side. Do we have something there? No. Why did we create an XRP that is good? We created some hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? Where's that hidden bullish, you might ask? Well, here, dude, from here to here. And from here to here also. Right? So I'm really waiting for this to go up a little bit, which is okay. Again, it's not showing that divergence, that bearish divergence that Ethereum and Bitcoin have. But again, Ethereum and Bitcoin do make up 70+% of the market. So, you know, XRP just at 3.36% of the market. So you can acknowledge that and see what's going to happen with XRP. Sorry guys, the music was super loud probably. I left it high from the interview outro, which it probably didn't even play. And if you couldn't hear me earlier, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, sorry, I didn't want to fight over the music. I just noticed that the levels were coming in too high. Right on. So what is up with this, right? Do we have something? Nothing yet. We gotta wait for something to develop. If this goes higher, we're definitely gonna create divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and from then we'll figure out where we want to go. That's it for XRP. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin at $46.26. Again, I'm not sure if I called XRP at 24.39 cents. Litecoin. Like we said, $46.26. What is happening with Litecoin on the daily? I bet there's probably nothing happening, right? Besides the bullish divergence, still rallying, haven't hit that 20, which is okay. Starting to make positive momentum, more of it. I don't like that part. We're creating some hidden bearish right now. I thought that we were not going to have anything. I thought we were going to be clear of divergences here. But as you can see, we're not. Again, guys, even though we're live, I just want to go very quickly over some stuff. I'm just going to take that 88 request, right, for Cardano. I just want to, don't come from here, 41.99 and 43. So that's slightly higher. Why am I not going to go into too much detail today or other projects? Like I said, my wife's feeling bad, so I got to go and take care of some stuff at the house. And yeah, on that note, I'm going to keep on running with this. So let's see the 4 hour. What's happening there? We had the bearish divergence, right? A couple times. We moved down on that. Probably something from the 1 hour came here in shorter time scales. This is all from the 1 hour, I can tell. Because it makes no sense where the things are at, right? Look, it's floating here in the middle of nowhere. That's floating there in the middle of nowhere. And how do I know? Because they're matched against nothing on the bottom of the here, right? Look at that. I have the lines over here. So I just forgot to anchor when I was doing the stream yesterday. And that's my bad. I hate to have messy charts, so I'll just clean up here real quick. And on that note, I'll tell you something. It looks like we're not creating much right now, right? High, slightly less. High to lower high. Maybe against the RSI we might be doing something. I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's zoom in here. We had the hidden bearish. We moved down on that near the 20, trying to go higher. Are we going higher? No, it looks like we're sitting at the same level. They're slightly less even, right? So we're slightly lower than here, which is okay. Are we higher? No, we're also lower and lower. So we don't have anything on the 4 hour. Litecoin, again, a small pump would have us create some strong bearish divergence against the MACD and probably against the RSI. Against the RSI, we might undo it really quickly because we're almost there. But against the MACD, we'll certainly make that divergence. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening there? Go ahead, like higher, coming in lower again, bearish divergence, moving down. We've seen that happening. We called that out yesterday. We were live here somewhere, right? Here. Look at that, still play to the downside. Beautiful. Did we create something? Yeah, dude, we created something. Heck yeah, dude. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence. Price action to the upside. Upside. Yep. That's how this rolls, right? Look, from here to here we had it, right? So I'll take it in two parts. We'll take it to here first. Right, and I'll take it from here to here, right? For some reason, my computer's running sluggish, I guess. I'm not sure. It just feels like I'm a little bit sluggish here. Anyways, going higher, that's fine. Now we're going higher on the side, yes. And we're lower, right? So we're creating bearish divergence. We're creating it twice, I believe. So I'm going to assume in here we had the strong bullish divergence here. Hidden bullish and then strong bullish, right? And that's fine. We don't have it against the RSI, but here short term is what I'm looking at. What I'm worried about, getting this moving up here, right, and coming lower still on the oscillators, right? Look at the MACD going lower, and look at the RSI coming in lower also, right? Now, on that note, we are trying to make another pump happening, right? Look, this tightly, dude, I'm going to have to swing a lot here for this one. Oh, still slightly higher. High to low. Are we going higher here? 2? 2. No. So we're coming in down, and we're just going sideways, and here we're coming in lower. We're not diverging, right? We're not doing anything right now, so I will leave it at that right now. So again, you know, we have this strong bearish divergence. We could get a movement down happening here. It seems like we came down, hit that 20, and tried to take a bounce. Still yet to be determined whether or not that's going to be the final thing that we're doing here on Litecoin. Let's go to Binance. Binance on the daily. Right, strong bullish divergence going up. Hitting that 20 yesterday, that's fine. Try to break above it today. Getting above that 20 and trying to go higher, which is good. Again, strong bullish divergence, neutral at 54.64 on their side. We don't have anything bearish. We can still run a little bit more. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, bullish divergence. We're looking for bearishness. We did move down slightly. Again, not too much, which is okay. This might even be from the 1 hour, I believe. Oh, it's from the 4. That's good. So what's going on here? Let's zoom in. Let's see. 255, 285. So slightly higher. Coming in higher here as well. So nothing within this island. Look at the previous island. Again, these could all anchor, right? These could all track. We had this divergence to here. I'm going to have to move this a little bit and shift that to that one. Wow, this track is weird. Right, imagine we're trying that today, right? So hidden bearish still in play. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Let's acknowledge that for what it is. Potential stalling to happen on Binance. Sitting at $26.51, by the way. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Wow, even the music stopped. Weird. Oh, the stream's still going strong. Let's check the stream. Is it going strong? I'm not even sure how many people are here. There we go. Right, what's happening here, right? We're going higher, right? More positive momentum, higher on the other side. Nothing bearish, right? Look at that. Going higher. High. Higher, high. Right, more positive momentum. Higher, higher, high. Sitting overbought right now at 70.11. Let's wait for this. If it doesn't have anything bearish, it could come down just from overbought to bought or neutral by going down to 20, finding support and go for another bounce. Really nothing bearish right now on the 1 hour. The only thing we have is on the 4 hour, and it's just a very long shot because we're really looking at something that's way far back. So that's good though. On that note, I'm gonna leave it there for this. I'm gonna go look at Cardano that got requested. 88 Cardano. What's happening there? Let's go on the daily. Oh, dude, there's stuff from another time scale here. You go back to the 1 hour. But no, I forget to anchor on Cardano. What? Why? Why did we forget to anchor on Cardano? Oh no, get to the chopper. Again, dude, it's a little bit weird to the stream without people that I have to talk to, right? Or without you guys here. I know I said there was no stream, so I'm just dealing with the consequences of saying that. But thank you for being here. Cryptic, how's it going, dude? Buenas noches. Good night to you, man. How's it going, bro? Thank you for joining me. I like what you said on the Discord. What the messages you sent me. I'm up for it, bro. If you want to do something like that, we could do something like that. We had bearish divergence moving down. We did get it. It's held support at the what was it? The 50%. Yeah, the 50% we held support. Trying to go up right now, right on Cardano, which is okay. Not a lot going on. Again, had that bearish divergence in bearish play. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, right? Look at that. Beautiful, right? Here it looks like strong bearish. We did move down. Sorry, hidden bearish. We did move down slightly. We haven't created anything bullish. We're just trying to go for a new rally happening, a potential new rally coming in, which is okay. A lot of crypto was pumping, right? And we already hit targets for Bitcoin, which is okay. Again, stuff that we were expecting to do, right? Sitting overbought at 71.40 on their side. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. You know, slightly higher, came in lower again. You know, it's fine. Try to rally. Are we doing something here in Cardano on the 1 hour? I can't remember, dude. No, we haven't looked at anything here, right? Not even from the previous negative momentum island. From here, we could have, right? I'm not sure if we ever called this one. I think we might have, and I just didn't save on the screen. I'm not sure. This happened today, so no, we haven't called this one. Let's get this to the 1 hour chart and just have it stay there. That's awesome. There we go. Going on from negative to more negative, right? So some hidden bullish, and that's what's getting us to rally a little bit. We don't have it against the RSI, which is fine. High, lower, high, right? So that's cool there. High to low, high to low. So positive to less positive. That's all great there, really. No complaints with Cardano right now. Waiting for it to do this thing. Maybe you can get back to the dollar, or sorry, to the 10-cent area, right? Sitting at 9.72 cents right now. What else are we gonna do, man? What else are we gonna do? That's Cardano. Let's move on to DVT, dude. Let's do DVT and then I'll do RSR. And then we'll talk about Honey and Falcon Swap because Cryptic's in the house and he requested those a while back. So I don't want to compare. Let's look at the MACD. It looks like the stream feels super weird and there's not a lot of people here, dude. And that's fine, dude. I did say there was not gonna be a stream tonight, so you know I'm dealing with that. Just awkward, to be honest. Let's go here. Let's get columns and get this on the green. There we go, man. Awesome. What's happening here, dude? Sitting at 5.8 sats, which is okay, not too bad, right? It's a good entry value for this project. Look, it does have good swings within the day and within the hours, so you can take positions and sell them out real quick, right? Look at this one. It just went from like 6.1 all the way to 7. That's a good, fair increase, right? Anyways, K-Ton to the USD Tether. I've been following this project for a few days. Huge potential. Right, dude. Darwinia. Okay, cool, dude. I'll check those projects out. Jake, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here. Are your surprised eyes because I came live? I was not supposed to be live, dude. But I ended up not going out of town. My wife just didn't like feel better, so we ended up staying at home. So you know, it is what it is. I came live, so I'm here. Enjoy. Are we doing something here? Yes, strong bullish divergence. From here to here, right? We're coming in lower. From here to here, you know, we're going there. Snap, dude. Strong bullish divergence action to the outside. Try to rally, failed, and pull back down a little bit, which is okay. Not too worried about this yet. Again, also here, coming in slightly higher, I believe. Let's see. This is 41.56, and this is 41.79. So obviously, we're definitely going much higher here. And again, that strong bullish divergence still at play. Again, it just has not taken off. Waiting for it to really take off here. So that's it for DVT on, or the vault on the 1 hour. Let's look at the vault on the 4 hour chart. There's comments coming in. Yeah, kind of am busy. Well, that's great, man. I look at the game that you talked about, Among Us. It looks really good, man. I just haven't had time to like download it and play. There's a cell phone version for it, but I think it's just you can play only with friends, right? On land, let's say, basically. Is anything going on here? Like coming in lower, right? Positive momentum dying out. Lower on there, so that's fine. From here to here, we're going higher, right? And then from overbought to neutral. So nothing here that I can see, at least short term on the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily for DVT. All right, so we had some hidden bearish, right, on the daily. I think we already talked about this one. Here and nothing here. Price action to the downside, right? That's okay. We had no hidden bullish. Waiting for it to like finish playing out, right? It's just hidden divergence and not play out as strong. What is this at? 58.60, and this is 59, so going slightly higher also. So we also had that hidden bearish here on the other side, just slightly, right? So action to the downside, that's what we're getting here with DVT. On that note, that's going to be it for DVT. Again, waiting for it to play. It's not a super high value project now, like I always said, right? It's a good project to get in, practice trading, and get good at it. And also a good project to buy in. And when it goes up, because it will go up, it's a highly undervalued project. It's going to be doing extremely well, right? Anyways, on that note, I'm going to go look at RSR, and then I have the request from Cryptic to do, which is good. And then after those requests, K-Ton, basically, or FSW, Honey, right? We'll see how Honey's doing in a second. Let me check RSR real quick, and then we'll look at Honey. Finding RSR. And the music just got like super mellow for some reason. It's just like, wow, super slow. All right, sorry, here we go. Let's play the next track, dude. Oh, this one's good. All right, sorry, nothing on the daily, right? I can't chart here again, just going sideways a little bit, which is okay. Sitting at 1.2 cents, which is fine. Let's go here at the 14. Sorry, the 4 hour. Again, nothing here, right? High. Here we're going high. We got nothing here. Here to low, again lower. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish on the 4 hour. Just waiting for it to do something. Sitting at neutral at 52.94. Let's go to the 1 hour RSR. Oh, dude, are we doing something? We had the bearishness. We moved down on that. That's fine. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side, lower. Yeah, we created some hidden bullish. Yay, against the RSI. So on that move, right, going higher here, we are moving lower on the RSI, and with that, we're creating this bearish divergence, right? Look at that. Beautiful. Hidden bearish, potential action to the upside. We take a small rally. Again, we haven't gotten anywhere near 15 cents. I'm not going to exit this position yet, although I'm taking a massive bidding and I should exit it. I haven't. I should really consider exiting this because I'm going to take a massive bidding on this project. Oh, dude, it's just painful. It's painful to look at this. Again, every day it's just going down, right? Look at that. That's a week, though. The weeks are horrible. Anyways, on that note, let's go check out Honey real quick. So I just look at that here. I think this is Honey. Honey, last time we looked at it was around like $800. Let's see how much it's worth right now. 1,404. Oh my God, dude, this price is going to the freaking moon, man. I'm kind of pissed that I haven't got into Honey, dude, to be fair. Because you told me about it when it was like still in the hundreds, I think. Cryptic, and I just didn't get into it. By the time I did research, it was already like sitting at like 400, right? And then it was like 500, 600, and then like 800. I didn't think it was gonna go higher than that. The whole thing with this project is the thing that at least that it gets me is that I cannot chart it. And if I can't chart it, I'm not sure if I'm buying overbought. Like this is going exponential for sure, right? There's no way that this hasn't gone exponential. It could come with a massive crash right now. I don't have a chart to look at. I'm not sure how we're standing on the RSI or the MACD. I'm not sure if we have divergences building. We're probably not going to have any kind of bearish divergence because we're just going like skyrocketing to the moon. But like highly overbought, this could potentially crash down hard, right? So again, someone asked about Honey earlier on today. On well, I was doing the interview with Decentralized, and yeah, the whole thing here is that I wasn't gonna look at the charts on the interview, right? We were like doing an interview, but Hive, it's that. Dude, yeah, so, dude, Hive going extremely well. Falcon Swap, on the other hand, I'm kind of glad that I didn't get into that one. Right, because I was checking it out, I was like, no way, dude, something don't look good. We ended up going down massively on Falcon Swap. This is the 4-hour chart, just take that into account, but still. We were looking at this yesterday, right? It was around 29 cents here. So I could have bought an exit at 35, but we just undid it, right? And we just sat there for like the next 4 hours. So by 4 in the morning today, I would have been massively asleep. And then when I would have woken up, I would have seen this at like 25 cents, and then today at 21 cents. So it's going massively to the downside. I'm going to get some indicators out here real quick. Again, you're not going to be able to see this one really well on your chart. So I'm going to move that to there. You might be able to get a better view of this here. Let's get here the RSI. And the MACD. There we go. There we go. Let's get this in columns and get this in green. There we go. Awesome, dude. Right. Right. We came lower. Here we had some bullish divergence, right? I don't have the drawing tools. Yeah, I don't have it. Well, from here to here, we're coming lower, right? So high to low to lower low. Here we're going lower, which is fine, and then here we're going from negative momentum to less negative momentum, creating that strong bullish divergence action to the upside. We got that rally. On that note, we're coming back down right now, right? So low to high, right? So low, higher, low, negative, right? We have to anchor from the highest point. So negative, less negative. We don't have anything bullish, still higher, and on the other side, we're also just going sideways, right? So I'm not going to call anything bullish right now. We're still playing off that bearish divergence. Let's check the daily here for this one real quick. I'm not sure we're going to have a lot of data here. Yeah, no data there. And I don't have the 1 hour chart, so I'll look at the 2 hour. What's happening here? Coming in lower. We're doing something here. Let's see. Right, low to high. Here we do have something, right? Look at this. This is lower. That's high, right? So low, higher, low. Low on the other side, lower on the other side, right? So we're going opposites, right? We're diverging. We're creating that hidden bullish. Also here against the MACD, right? We're also exploding a little bit more to the downside. So negative momentum, more negative momentum, right? Again, hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. So we have that hidden bullish on the 2 hour and on the 4 hour. And on that note, we could potentially be going for a rally with Falcon Swap. I'm sad that it's not performing so well. I mean, Honey's playing good, dude. I'm hope that you're making some good dough on Honey, dude. But, you know, Falcon is under testing. Has not launched. I thought it was supposed to launch yesterday. Next week, it'll launch to the public. All right, K-Ton, done visit. Honey 2.0. All right, dude. Let's check out K-Ton. I'm not sure if that's going to be quoting here. First thing I'm going to do is go to market cap. And, you know, a lot of people don't like that. But, you know, K-Ton. Need to figure out what the project is. Darwinia committed something. Darwinia commitment token. There we go. 130 buckaroos. All right. What is this doing? This is the whole history. Yeah. All right. So it didn't start too long ago. It started at 49. Where did it start at? 99 buckaroos. Sitting at 136. That's fine. Yeah. It went to a high of 389 on August the 31st. All right. That's good. Let's see where it's trading. Doesn't know how much market cap it has. Just the volume traded $1,066,772. Again, not circulating supply. Just knows that there's a total supply of 39,583 K-tons. All right. Poloniex. Yes, Poloniex, my old friend. Hello, Poloniex, my old friend. Right, that's where I'm going to look at this chart, because that's the only place where I can actually do charting off the things that we had here, are the charts that, like, exchanges that were being listed. So, K-Ton. Right, on 2 hours. So I'm going to get indicators out here as well. MACD. And the RSI. There you go. Awesome. Two indicators are solid, that I trust to do technical analysis, and are easy to understand for everyone. There we go. All right, what's going on here? Let's see. High, lower, positive, less positive, less positive, right? High, lower, high. So nothing bearish. That's good. All right, so I'm gonna go here. Coming lower, more negative momentum, lower on there, so that's fine. Here again, making very little negative momentum here. So yeah, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher on their side. Nothing I can see here right now on the 2 hour. So I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. Let's see if we can get something there, right? The 4 hour chart might have more information. Had a low positive to less positive, high on their side to a lower point. That's great, right? Nothing there. 50.98, and here on their side 52. So it's going slightly higher. Is the price going higher? I doubt it, man. Let's see, where did this close? Close 131.99. Here it opened at 131.79. So slightly less, right? Again, no charting tools. So just imagine this, right? You're going from a high point here to a slightly lower point here. You're going from a high here to a higher high. So again, we were like converging slightly. Some hidden bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. I wouldn't put too stuck on that. It's very, very thin. 1.43, 1.67. So coming in more negative momentum, also here lower. So nothing bullish yet for this. Let's see here, low, lower, right, negative, less negative. So here we're creating some bullish divergence, strong. From here, this candle on the 19th of September, right, look at that low, lower low. And here on the other side, we're going from a low point, right, to a higher point. And here we're also going from a low point to a higher point. So some strong bullish divergence here. I think I said there was nothing earlier, but upon review, I can see that, right, that we're coming in here lower and then going here. So with that, again, potential action to the upside, going up, but really failing to take off there. Look at the website. This project is legit pumped to 500. I didn't think you were streaming tonight. Yeah, I know. Everyone's telling me that, Andrew. I wasn't supposed to be streaming tonight. I was not going to be here. Remember how I said during the interview with Decentralized that I might not go out of town? Yeah, I can overlook at Ethereum again. I was not gonna be out of town, dude. I was gonna go out of town, but my wife woke up with a really bad back pain. We ended up not going out of town. We ended up staying. I just injected her prior to the stream starting, and the stream started super late because I was doing some house chores that needed to be taken care of, like putting the kids to bed and cleaning up some stuff real quick. And then when the stream is done, I just gotta go and help her out because she's like just laying in bed. She's like, on the ground. Yeah, it's still cute, man. Yeah, sometimes she gets massive back pains, and yeah, but it's good, man. It was just like some I can't remember what it's like a 2-part injection, right? Like I had to like mix it and then inject her, but yeah, it's good, bro. Yeah, I was unable to go out of town. That's why I came in, dude. It was unnoticed. Steve came in earlier and told me the same thing. Actually, he was actually out with a friend. I said that's cool, bro. You don't it's great that you guys want to be here, but I was also not gonna be here, dude. So life changed, and I had to come in. And for me, that's great, dude. I like being here. I don't mind being here. I like being here. So whenever I'm possible, I want to be here. It was just that take advantage of the situation, right? My wife's leaving to go out of town. I'm staying at home. Let's do something productive, right? Anyways, coming in lower right here, from low to lower low. Again, negative momentum to less negative momentum. On the other side, we don't have that. But again, creating some strong bullish divergence here on the daily for Katon. Sitting at $124, right? Again, not too bad. Not too bad for this project. Again, honey, dude. Surprised that it went up so high, dude, for reals. I didn't, we looked at this a couple times, right? When we looked at this yesterday, 2 days ago, it was sitting at like $800. It almost doubled in value to today. Just to hate the fact that I cannot look at it on a chart, dude. That's just what, that's like the only, I would have bought it if I could have charted it, but it just doesn't check, I cannot tick that checkbox, and that's just what throws me off from buying Hive or Honey. I look at the website, dude. Cryptic, send me a website on the Discord. I'm not sure if you already did. You might have. I'm not sure. Yeah, Bitcoin Jake made it rain. We all got 250 sats. That's great, bro. Thanks, Jake, for that awesome rain that happened a couple of, almost half an hour ago. Or at least 20 minutes ago. Right. What else? Ethereum, right? Let's do a quick overview of Ethereum. Yeah, we can do that. It has bearish divergence in the 4 hour and the 1 hour, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Ethereum. Right on. So Ethereum got very close to the target. We were $2 away from 364. The highest point we got to was 362.23. So very close to target. Again, rejecting 20, which is fine. Not worried about that yet. We might get another retest after that 364 again. Strong bullish divergence playing at a support level at 319, taking that bounce, right? Rejecting the 20 right now. We're probably going to see how it plays today, but we might get another retest of 364. Neutral at 48.24 on the hour side. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, look at this, right? We had the hidden bearish. We did move down slightly. Again, stalling. Like I said, we could, right? We either stall or we pull back down. We haven't even hit the 20. We're still going higher. We haven't moved much from when I did the analysis, because I don't have to re-anchor this. But look at that, right? We got very close to resistance. So going higher and then coming in lower in that positive momentum, creating that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside and a retest of that 20. I do believe that if we go and hit that 364, we might still be able to hold on to the bullish divergence, right? I believe so. And with that move, we could potentially create the bearish divergence at a resistance and then break down, right? If we do get above this area, we might get rid of the bearish divergence and not have nothing, right? So we'll just basically be going back to the drawing board and re-anchor from here and go from here to the new high, and then from here to the new high that we make here, right? Or whatever. So on that note, that'll be what I'm looking at right now as far as divergence here. This 63.20 and this is 62.86, so it's slightly less here, right? So we're coming in slightly lower. If this manages to go slightly higher, then I could also anchor from here to the new high, and then go from here to the new high and create that hidden bearish, right? So that's it for Ethereum on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Resistance 319, no, support 319, resistance at 364, right? So bottom line support, here resistance. If I said resistance, dude, sorry, I might have just disconnected my brain from my mouth. Maybe I wanted to say support and set resistance. Anyways, going higher to that 364 again. Just sideways motion, right? We have bearish divergence waiting for it to take off. It's being bought at 68.25. Oh, that's right. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, we have support at 319, right? We know that. Look at that. Beautiful here also. We came, supported that area, and then bounced. But that is if we move down. And we have the 20 on the 1 hour to look forward to on that movement down. Well, which that 20 right now is sitting at 353.67. And then the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour, it's also sitting at 345. So that we have to hit that area and break below that before we go to 319. If we find support at both of those, we're not going to go down. We're going to probably take a bounce and retest at 364, right? We call for a retest of 364 since we're taking this bounce over here, right? So it shouldn't be a surprise that we're going higher because we also called it on the daily. We created the bullish divergence. We started rallying. So we're going to likely retest 364, just like we called it for Bitcoin, right? We said Bitcoin is going to retest that 10,863 area or whatever we have it at, 10,837, right? And look at that, yesterday, right? Look at that. We went higher to 10,829. So we're within $10 of that area. Today we might get another retest there. Don't have anything bearish on the Bitcoin daily. Again, neutral on the RSI. On the 4 hour, we're starting to create that bearish divergence, just like Ethereum, right? Sitting bought at 61.08. And again, bearish divergence could potentially break down at least to the next support. And here, right, on the 1 hour, look at that, right? Also bearish divergence. We managed to pull back down a little bit, but that's fine. We'll go to here, and we'll go to here, and we'll just go to here, right? And on the 1 hour, I'm choosing to ignore this island on the MACD, right? That's my preference for this. Going from the high to new high. On the other side, it makes sense. It just makes sense that I ignore it here as well. 288 and highest point is 347. So it's just my preference here. It's a 3 hour candle, 3 hours of candles that I'm ignoring. I'm okay with that decision for me. Again, expecting that movement down maybe for a retest of the 20. We have managed to hold on to it beautifully. Again, we'll probably get to this area and still have this hidden bullish divergence. It's hidden bullish on Bitcoin on the 1 hour. It's hidden bullish or strong. Yeah, it's hidden bullish on Bitcoin on the 4 hours. So we have bullish divergence on Bitcoin twice. And then for Ethereum, I can't remember if it was strong bullish or hidden bullish, but I think it's strong bullish on the 4, and then on the 1 hour it's also strong bullish. Yeah. So we have strong bullish on both coins, right? On 70% of the market, we have bullish, bearish divergence. Sorry, did I just say bullish? Bitcoin has bearish divergence, hidden bearish on the 4 hour and hidden bearish on the 1 hour. Ethereum has strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Sorry if I said bullish, guys. I just know I had a small disconnect, brain to mouth. Right, I was thinking bearish. I just said bullish. Again, getting that movement up, coming in lower. Great stuff. Potential movement down. Retest of the 20. 80% of the market, 70% of the market. Sorry, Bitcoin and Ethereum together have bearish divergence. So the market is overall bearish. Let's say right now. Yeah. I hope that's good for y'all. What else? And tonight's going to be a super short stream, guys. I think I just went through everything that I usually cover in a quick time. 51 minutes. What we cover plus requests. So, I know some of you guys just got here. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you all. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub for reals. YouTube likes them likes, and it lets know people that you like the content, and it will suggest it to people that have similar tastes to you. So it's a good support for the channel when you hit that like for sure, right? Anyways, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna sign off. If you just got here, sorry. Again, gonna be super short stream today. There's a lot of stuff I still gotta finish at home, yeah. So thank you all for being here for reals. Again, this is Untitled Crypto. I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Saturday night. I hope you're having a great night. I hope you're having safe trading and have good trading practices. That's gonna be all for tonight, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.